help us understand what really happened that night. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Gusto maglalaro ako ng Pisonet, a short horror game. Well, this horror game is a Filipino horror game and masaya ako kasi maglalaro ako ng horror game. It's my first time playing horror game na gagawin ko ngayong video and ano pa hinihintay natin? So it's the time to play this game! Case number 0457, Purok 2 Pisonet Incident. Subject, Jeff A. Santos, friend of missing person. May problema? May nangyari ba dito? Well, meron. October 20, 2018. Well, greeted ako nun . Use mouse to look. Okay. Use mouse to look. Press C to zoom view. Okay. Warcraft . Adult content, no watching, bawal manood. Marami pa yung iba. Bawal mag-Roblox. Bawal walang tatay. And syempre, ligo muna bago laro. SF, ano to? Kalimutan ko na kung anong game yun. Alam ko, SFG. Where is Jeff? It's getting late. Okay, alas 9 na ng gabi. And ayun tayo. Sa cam 1 siguro, cam 2. It's 9:54 PM. Whistling. Bitigil ba talaga yung ceiling fan? Nakakamiss lang dati. Nakakamiss lang ang gantong com shop. Mga panong 2020, 17? Ha? Sino yan? Wala naman siguro. $9:54. Hintayin natin mag 9:55. 9:55. Na meron. Ang bihira. That one got you real good, right? Right, click to continue. Ha ha ha. Very funny. Anyway, you're dismissed, soldier. Okay. Just gonna arrange the chairs real quick, then I'll leave. No. Oh, here comes the employee of the month. Wait, ma. Okay, ayusin ko yung chair. Arrange ko. Ano? E? F? Oh, okay. May nagte-Tetris. Si isa nagde-Dragon City. Si yung isa doon. Hoy! Bawal yun, bawal yun. Nag-alt tab ka, huli ka boy. Bawal manhood nga eh. Ito. Ano pa? Ito. Ay. Ito. Ito. Ay. Ito. Ito. Oh! Oh! Si Jeff ba yun? Ikaw ba yun, boy? Kawawa tayo yun eh. Sino yun? Hindi ba tayo? Bye-bye. Yan na, Jeff. Hey! Same day tomorrow. Sure, I'll be here. Okay. He started a part-time job at our local Pisonet shop to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like someone's always watching him. Oh, they say some people are medium sensitive to things beyond. He don't want that. Sino? Jeff? O yung bida? Tayo ba? But on that night, when he is on duty, it's get worse. The air changes. Something watches. And he can feel it. May nagmumulto? May nagmumulto ba agad? October 26, 2018. First encounter. Business was slow today. Oh. Matumal. Nga no. Walang katao-tao. Jeff said, I can close the shop early. Okay. Pwede na ba tayo gumalaw? I guess there won't be any more customers. I need to pack things up. Press keyboard to stop music. Okay. Uy. Time to arrange the chairs. Na naman. Sabagay. Well, nakakamiss lang magtrabaho sa com shop kasi naranasan ko na rin naman kahit papano. Mag-ayos talaga ng upuan pagkatapos pag magsasara. Ganoon naman lagi. So wala na. Wala tayong ayusin. Ito pala isa. Ayun na. Nanabalik na tayo dito. Gumalaw yung chair sa... Saan yun? Anong PC yan? Anong PC? Ha? Yun yan? Why this slot always empty? I think I can add another unit here. Okay. Then unit. Okay. Wala palang ano doon. Wala palang PC. Mouse left click to grab. I need to pick up a PC case, AVR, and PCNet slot machine. Saan? Uy! Pansit Canton! Chili mansi ba yan? Ito pala yung... hindi. Sweet and spicy. Tas... Calamansi. Yung chili mansi. Brad Filipino here. Saan dito? Diba? Saan yung AVR? Pati yung ano... Oh! Uy! Ito pala. Wait. Yan. Kunin natin to. AVR ba to? Di ko alam kung AVR to. Tumiikot. Ang cute. Okay, dyan. Isa. Wala bang ship dito? Apa nag-i-ship, nag-i-stop? The heck? Ito yung PisoNet na... Tama ba? Yung lagay ng coins. Ito nga yung lagay ng coins. Dyan din. Ay! Tumalsik. Tapos, ano pa ba? Dito sa karton. Sa baba, mouse, headset. Wala. Ito. Yung unit. Ba't umiikot? Ulagay na rin natin siya dyan. Yun, tapos na. Ay! Okay, well done. Sino yan? Hi. Who are you? Oh, bro. Dumigay ka ba? Baka dumigay lang siya, bro. Okay, dito lang sa sulok. Ikaw ba magbabantay? Ikaw ba next sa bantay? Hello? He can't forget what happened that night, and since then, he always felt back pain. Ano to? This reminds me of the Shatter. Yung nakapatong sa kanya dito sa batok niya. He took his leave and rested for a few days since he said he could not afford to lose the job. He forced himself to go back to work. Okay. Well, it reminds me talaga ng ano. But things started to change. Parang si Shatter, may nakapatong sa kanya na babae. Yung, nakalimutan ko na yung kwento na. He kept getting angry. too hard to talk to. Okay. Sino? He became distant. Sino yung bida? O yung si Jeff? Huh? October 29, 2018. The Presence. Ba't umiikot? Oh. My back hurts! Oh. Matawag. Jeff, how's the shop doing? Where are you? I need to go now. Almost there. Wait for me. You better be here by 9:55. Hey, I only have 2 legs. You know, call ended. Dalawa lang pa ako. Ngayon naman yung mga ng mga Pinoy eh. Pag may ginagawa, tapos sasabihin mo, may papasuyo ka, sabihin nila, dalawa lang pa ako, dalawang kamay ko. Wait, I want to tell you something. Wala na, binabaan ka na boy. So, huh? Weird on PC5? This can't be right. I need to check the PC5 slot. Okay. Oh. Sarado. Saan yun? Think anything to seduce the host. No bad words, no coaching. Must be 18 above. Be creative. Price pool, 25,000 pesos. Registration November 10. Ito naman. Woblox. Blackswood. May nagsi-CF. Ito naman nag-Warcraft o Dota. Hindi ko sure. Gagawin. It's not on. Huh? I'm too tired for this. Sino na gano? Si Sit dyan. Kakat-calling ka. I want to go home now, but I need to arrange the chairs at least. Okay. Itong PC pa ay... Laro rin ba itong mga to? Tambay, bawal tambay dito. May nakamulit to. Nako ba, doy? Magdamit ka, boy. Ba't nalaglag to? Oh, ito. Okay. All done. Huh? Oh! Ito ako sa PC5. Hello? Ang gagawa mo dyan? Umiyak siya, boy. Sinambuli sa'yo. Hey, kid. Are you okay? Where are your parents? Bro, nasa bahay, syempre. Sa com shop siya eh. Oh. Hey, keep it down. I hate these guys. Bumangon to. I don't remember feeling this slow before. Taragis na yan, ang iingay. Okay na. He knows what he saw, a child bruised and tears, but he still doesn't understand what the boy wants from him. He has no choice, he is the only one that can see him. Di niya siguro in-extend kaya nagbumulto. Maybe this is the reason he was given this ability, he thought, and finally, he chose to use it. He pulled himself together. He overcome his fear. Wow. Well, salute. He only wanted to help him. Dapat lang. November 1, 2018. Halloween. The mistake. Okay, be brave. I can do this. Okay. Okay. I'm here. Show yourself. I want to help you. If that's what you want. Okay. Mag-alas 10 na. Not again today, huh? Arrange the chairs. I already done this yesterday. If you don't want me, I'll leave now. Wow. Okay, ayusin itong upuan. Okay, tapos na. Wala nang dapat ayusin. Kundi yung sarili mo na lang, boy. Ano ba ginawa mo dun sa bata? Okay. Well, nakakamiss lang talaga yung dating ano. I mean, siguro ngayon, ano naman na kasi sa com shop, pwede na magluto ng pancit canton, ay, may kaldero. Sa amin is 25 pesos yan, pag magpapaluto. Ganun. Nalimutan ko na. Tapos, pag may aircon na com shop, 15 isang oras, 25 pag 2 hours. Yun nata. Sa amin, kasi nagbantay ako dati ng com shop, 2023 December. Oo, tama. 2023 December. And pag magpapaluto ka is 25 pesos ang pancit canton. Yun lang. Kasi may experience ako sa pagbabantay ng com shop. Well, share ko lang. Okay, wala naman na siguro. Ayusin. Tapos na to. Ito dito. Cellphone natin. Oh! What the heck?
Good job.
Good job. I'm so proud of.
Proud of you.
Well, thank you. Use F to use flashlight. Ah! Pambira. Okay. Ay, dito tayo sa corner. Uy! Okay. Lalabas na ako. Salamat. At... Ah! Bro, minamak niya ako. Tinutulungan na nga kita eh. Ganyan ka pa sa akin. Pambira ka. PC5. Nagbuka sa PC5. Well, labas na tayo dito. May daan ba dito? Kailangan ba natin yon? Well, ba talaga tayo lumabas? Bro, luksa mo lang yan eh. Wait, jump. Spacebar, wala. We're dead. We're cooked. Okay. Newspaper. Child found dead in the local pizza shop in Purok Dos. Authorities suspect foul play. Shop owner under investigation. Purok Dos, Manila. A young boy whose identity is still unknown was found dead late Tuesday evening inside a local pizza shop in a barangay 722 Purok Dos. The child believed to be between 7 and 9 years old was discovered alone and severely bruised with broken bones and sign of prior abuse. Heard faint cries coming from the shop before the boy was found lifeless under one of the computer desk. Siguro dito sa PC5. And the shop owner claims to have no knowledge of the child's presence of the cause of his injuries. Authorities are now investigating the situation as possible a case of abuse and foul play. The severity of the injuries suggests this was not an accident, said PO3 Alvarez of the Manila Police District. At this stage, we're treating the shop owner as a person or of interest. The child's cause of death is yet to be determined, and for forensic terms are conducting an autopsy. Despite attempts to identify the boy, authorities have been unable to locate any relatives or guardians. The pizza shop was shut down. Okay. Ah! I found blood all over the walls. I never understood what happened to him. He doesn't answer my calls. It started the specific night. I tried asking around, but no one had seen him. Not a single trace. It was like he never existed. Customers complained about strange routine smell. We searched everywhere, but we could not find the sources. It just would not go away, so we decided to close the shop and move. Jeff. Pisonet. So, hindi ko pa rin alam kung ano nangyari sa bata. Pero sa tingin ko, binuli. Kasi posible naman, Like, yung owner ng shop or yung bantay, pumatay dun sa bata. Pero di ko pa rin alam. Sabi kasi, may nakita daw na pasa o sugat. Okay, enough. You got me. Help us understand. Puro jump scare, pambira. What really happened that night? Help us to understand. Kahit ako naglalaro, di ko maintindihan. Yun lang, maraming salamat sa panonood and sana na-appreciate nyo itong video ko. Short horror game lang siya. Maraming salamat. And yun lang, kita-kit sa next video. And bye-bye!